Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to apply different notification sounds as per app on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on notifications. Now from here, just tap on advanced settings. Now from here, just scroll down and make sure you enable manage notification categories for each app. Just like that. Now once you enable this option, just go back and from here just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here just select the app of which you want to change the notification sound. Just like that. Now for an example, if you want to change the notification sound of Gmail, just tap on Gmail and tap on notifications. Now from here, just make sure you enable allow notifications and also enable sound and vibration. Now once you do that, just scroll down and tap on notification categories. And from here, you can change the notification sound of each category. Like you can change the notification sound of the mail. Just tap on mail and tap on sound. Now from here, just select the sound for your mail. Just like that. And you can do the same with all the other apps on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can apply different notification sounds as per app on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.